In the early 19th century, the Industrial Revolution sparked fears that machines would replace human workers. Fast forward to today, and a new revolution is underway, one powered by AI and robotics. But this time, the stakes are even higher. As AI begins to outthink and outpace us in tasks once thought uniquely human, the question isn't just if jobs will be lost, but how drastically our way of life will change. Is your job safe from the AI revolution? The answer might surprise you. Let's explore. Let's start by looking at how AI and robotics are already changing the landscape of work. In warehouses around the world, robots are taking on tasks that used to require human hands. From picking and packing products to managing inventory, machines are becoming faster and more efficient, making human workers seem almost obsolete in some roles. For example, companies like Amazon are using robotic systems that can sort through thousands of items in minutes, something that would take human hours to accomplish. This isn't just about speed, it's about cost saving too. Robots don't need breaks, they don't get tired, and they can work 24/7 without complaint. But it's not just manual labor jobs at risk. AI is creeping into white-collar professions as well. Take the legal industry, for example. AI-powered systems can now sift through mountains of legal documents, finding relevant cases and precedents much faster than any human lawyer could. This means that tasks once handled by junior lawyers or paralegals are now being done by algorithms, and with greater accuracy. Similarly, in finance, AI is being used to analyze market trends, predict stock prices, and even make trades, often outperforming human analysts. You might be thinking, but my job requires creativity or emotional intelligence. Surely I can't replace that. Think again. AI is evolving quickly, and it's already making strides in areas once thought to be uniquely human. In the world of art and music, AI algorithms are creating original paintings and composing symphonies that are almost indistinguishable from those made by humans. In customer service, AI chatbots are handling more complex interactions with customers, understanding and responding to emotions and resolving issues faster than human agents. So, what does this mean for the future of work? On one hand, AI and robots can take over repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more meaningful and creative work. This could lead to a new era of innovation and productivity, where humans work alongside machines to achieve greater things. Imagine a world where doctors use AI to diagnose diseases with pinpoint accuracy, or where architects collaborate with AI to design sustainable and innovative buildings. The possibilities are endless, and the potential benefits are enormous. But there's a flip side to this coin. The rise of AI also brings significant risks, especially when it comes to job displacement. According to some studies, as many as 800 million jobs could be lost to automation by 2030. That's roughly 1/5 of the global workforce. The jobs most at risk are those that involve routine tasks, whether manual or cognitive. But even more complex roles aren't entirely safe. As AI continues to improve, it's likely that more and more jobs will be automated, leaving many workers struggling to find new roles in an increasingly competitive market. This brings us to the question of how society will adapt to these changes. Will governments and businesses step up to provide the necessary training and education for displaced workers? Will we see the rise of universal basic income as a way to support those who lose their jobs to automation? These are critical questions that need to be addressed sooner rather than later. But it's not all doom and gloom. History has shown us that with every technological revolution, new jobs are created to replace the old ones. The challenge now is to ensure that the transition is smooth and that the benefits of AI and robotics are shared across society. We need to be proactive in preparing for the changes ahead, rather than reactive. This means investing in education and training, fostering innovation, and creating policies that support workers as they transition to new roles. So, will robots take our jobs? The answer is both yes and no. Yes, they will take some jobs, perhaps even many jobs. But they will also create new opportunities for those who are ready to embrace the change. The key is to stay informed, adaptable, and open to learning new skills. The future of work is not something to fear, but something to shape. And if we do it right, we could be on the cusp of a new era of human achievement. As we navigate this uncertain future, one thing is clear: the relationship between humans and machines is only going to become more intertwined. The question is not whether AI will change the world of work. It already is. The real question is how we will respond to these changes and what kind of future we want to create. The choice is ours. Stay tuned as we continue to explore how technology is reshaping our world, and remember, the future is what we make of it. If this video got you thinking, hit the like button and share it. Do you think your job is safe from AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insights on the future of work.